How to install the Baneyes Motorcycle CarPlay Navigator. This is a short installation video. The operation is very simple. If you have any questions about the product installation, please contact our staff directly. They will provide you with the most professional services. Baneyes Waterproof Wireless Motorcycle CarPlay Portable Navigator supports wireless auto and motorcycle CarPlay, helps you get rid of the mobile data cable. It fits all wearable motorcycles, built-in Linux system, support EQ sound. It adopts waterproof screen, waterproof and high temperature resistant, allowing you to drive freely without environmental restrictions. Thanks for your watching. We are Baneyes.